This double-sided mounting tape uses a dense foam core and aggressive adhesive to create a very secure, long-lasting bond on a wide range of everyday and industrial surfaces. The tape is thick enough to absorb minor surface irregularities while still keeping mounted items lying flat and looking clean without visible hardware. Its holding power is strong enough to replace screws or nails for many projects, making it a practical choice for hanging decor, signage, and lightweight fixtures. Because it bonds well to metals, glass, many plastics, and painted finishes, it works reliably across mixed materials that often challenge weaker tapes. The tape stands up well to moisture, solvents, and harsh outdoor conditions, so once it is in place, it stays put even in demanding environments. Although the liner can be snug, a simple scoring or stretching trick makes it easier to peel, and once applied, the tape provides a tidy, no-mess alternative to drilling or liquid glue.